Welcome to your weekly UAS news update, and we have 3 stories for you this week. The first one is a man that sacrifices his drone to save lost people. We have the Autel Evo Lite Enterprise, a new drone. And then finally, a drone that inspects KLM Aircraft. So let's get to it. First up this week, 7 people were rescued after their boat started sinking in a lake in Utah. The police were notified of the sinking boat but could not locate the occupants. While staging the rescue crew at the marina, a local man was flying his drones for fun and overheard and offered to help. His name is Stephan Ceciu, and he was flying for fun initially but assisted in the search, locating the sinking boat and then sending their location to the officials. The 7 people were eventually rescued successfully, and the boat was towed back to the marina. Now, it's unclear how far the drone was flown away by the operator or what kind of drone he was flying, but in the meantime, he did not have enough battery to return the drone home and then eventually landed in the lake. So great job, Stephan. Sorry to hear about your drone. And if you don't have your Part 107 already, please reach out, contact at pilotinstitute.com, and then we'll set you up with an account for free. All right, next up, Autel has released the Evo Lite Enterprise series. The new series weighs 866 grams, and then it includes a thermal and also a visual payload. The Lite Enterprise has a 40-minute flight time, 4K video, 12 kilometers of range, and then it has a thermal sensor on the thermal version. So there's a Lite Enterprise and a Lite Thermal that has a 640 by 512 resolution thermal camera, a 16x digital zoom, and then a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius. At this stage, we don't have any pricing, but we'll keep you posted if we hear more. It's good to hear that Autel is still releasing new platforms, and even if it's based on an older one, that actually was a great drone for recreational pilots. Last up is a new partnership between Dutch drone Delta and KLM that will use drones to inspect KLM aircraft. The new program will use the DJI Matrice aircraft with AI-enabled software to perform inspections and report damage to the pilot and other users. The images of the operation appear to show either a Matrice 300 or a 350 using a P1 payload, a LiDAR, and other payload inspecting an Airbus A330. This is pretty cool use of drone, quite frankly. We've heard of a couple other companies doing that as well, but that's going to benefit the air carriers by reducing the inspection downtime. So all good use of drones this week. All right, you have a great week, and we will see you on Monday for the live. I'm going to do it one more time. Boat. One more time. Could not locate the...